This is High Life Fest 2023, the grand finale, and I am your host, Jide Kene Achufusi. I'm excited about tonight's show, where we get to crown the winner of High Life Fest 2023. It has been an exciting journey with the judges who have coached the contestants throughout the season and presented them to us as polished stars. Speaking of the judges, let's meet them. Give it up for David Jones David. Happy birthday in arrears, David. Happy birthday in arrears, David.
Thank you very much.
How you doing?
I'm fine, I'm good.
Are you excited for the finale?
Very, very excited.
Oh, okay. I'm excited as you are. Good to see you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Good to see you. Okay, the next judge, the queen herself, High Life's own Jennifer Eliogu. How you doing?
I feel very excited. I can't wait to see the rest of the EP.
Same as myself.
Yeah.
Good to see you, Jenny. Good to see you.
you.
And Tipsy Kelvano. Odogu.
I got now, Dalo.
I greet you, my brother.
Dalo want them.
How you feeling about the finale?
I can't even express how I feel. I'm ready for the surprise package.
Of course.
Yep.
I'm as ready as you are.
Let's go there.
And finally, tonight, we are joined by a guest judge. A lovely actress, a very beautiful one at that. Make welcome, Mary Igwe.
Thank you.
Mary, I love to watch your movies. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Welcome on board, Mary. Okay, High Life Fest is Nigeria's first and only indigenous music competition which celebrates Igbo cultural pride and heritage through high life music. In today's society where culture and values are being eroded, Life Continental Lager Beer, through this competition, is keeping the Igbo heritage of high life music alive. Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Nigeria kwesu ono! Okay, our contestants have battled it out with their voices, but only the fiercest warriors have made it to the grand finale. Let us take a look at how we got here. High Life Fest 2023 is a musical reality TV show geared towards celebrating Eastern Nigeria's cultural pride through high life music. The journey this year saw us have physical auditions in Aba, Onitsha, Enugu, and Awka, in addition to online audition clips that were received via social media. We were inundated with loads of high life talent, and we saw the good,
I love what I heard.
the bad,
It's gonna be alright. I say everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, with life.
After being stingy with money, somebody will also be stingy with the voice.
No, it's not like that. That's how I sing. My voice is always.
and even the funny.
Let me take you to my hood, where you will relax, read your books. Owetaka meet, we start to do. We do this too till afternoon. Yes, if we do, I no go tell.
Me?
But in all, we recognize the passion that drives these hopefuls, and we respect the audaciousness to put themselves out there. Our top 16 were selected from over 200 contestants and began their journey leaving behind their friends and family in pursuit of something greater. They endured steep tasks and challenges, countless hours of rehearsals and performances. Who can forget the likes of Miranazi, our Igbo Zazu, or Zik, our human conga machine, or the pairings of the two females in the house, Zani and Mercy Kemsi. Over the past 6 weeks, we have enjoyed excellent performances in celebration of a unique people through high life music and its values, and although 12 contestants from the initial 16 have left us at some point during the season, their passion and hunger lives on in the top 4 finalists as they put their best foot forward in hopes of being crowned the next king of high life. Courtesy of Life Continental Lager Beer, introducing our top 4 contestants for High Life Fest 2023, Precious UBA, Somi Zaza, Essa York, and Mwajaku Voice.
Drug race. ọganiru bụ echiche ndị be anyị. And that is why when we travel beyond the land of our birth, we are not afraid to start afresh in search of our glory. Our thirst to succeed fires our passion to build empires made from hard work and determination.
From the east to overseas, the drums of triumph hail our name. This is the sound of progress. Ebube dike, nwoke n'etiti ụmụ nwoke, ịlọghachila n'ebube. Nwoke dịka ọdụm, nnọọ, bịa were ọnọdụ gị n'etiti ndị okenye. This is the life we chose. Enjoy the new taste of progress. Mwafọ turu golota.
Welcome back. I am very sure that you will agree that High Life Fest 2023 has been a massive hit. Am I right? Am I right? Thank you very much. High Life Fest 2023 started with 16 contestants from 4 eastern cities, and now we are down to 4. Each contestant will perform 2 songs tonight. The first will be a cover of an existing song, after which we will have our very first eviction, and the second performances will be original songs by those left in the competition. Without further ado, kicking off the live performances tonight with a rendition of Ogazie Amakama by the late Chief Osita Osadebe. Give a big welcome to Essa York.
I should be the next king because my father always called me a king, even when I'm small. And I grew up to know I've went to so many competitions. See that what I have is to become a king. Then, now, I want to show my father that king on that bomb. Kambuje keneli obua. Kando obua. Na nimia. Obuchari igwe. I will not put on my crown again because he has promised me that I will be a king. And I want to put him right that I must become the king. Winning the crown will help me a lot in my music career. It will help my poor family home. And it will help a lot of upcoming musicians because I have a plan of opening a music studio. I believe once I train some hungry will go out from many families.
Essa York has been our star performer a good number of times this season. Over to you, judges. What do you think of Essa York's performance tonight? I'll start with you, David Jones.
Essa York has always been outstanding. And tonight, he did what he has always done. I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mary, what do you think of Essa York's performance tonight?
That was a wonderful performance. That was wonderful, especially the stage management. That was excellent.
Fantastic, fantastic. Essa York, you are a regular customer now. Thank you very much. Good luck. See you soon. The next contestant that will be performing tonight is Wajiak Voice, giving us a rendition of Omema by the last Sese. A round of applause as we take a look at his journey so far.
The reason why I should be made the King of High Life 2023 High Life Fest is because the talent I have is a unique one. And Anna may represent Igbo culture. If you can watch from my all performance, from auditioning, when you see my presence on stage, is that Igbo culture from day one till now. Going home and coming back to this grand finale have helped me a lot, because when I see my children, my wife, my people, my friends, my colleagues that came around, it motivates me because they have hope. You know, say, "Chai, this guy will bring a great name. They will be proud of me." One garaje turu golota.
Wajiak Voice, of course, did not come here to play tonight. That was a thrilling performance, I could tell from the reaction of the audience. What do you think of his performance, judges? Jennifer?
First of all, the lyrics of the song is deep, and that got me. And then I'm a sucker for smiles. The way you smile and the way everything about the performance was just electrifying.
Thank you very much. Good luck. See you soon. The third contestant performing tonight is the one they call the smiling guitarist, singing Alabeke by the one and only Bright Chimezie, Precious UBA. Let's take a look at his journey.
Why I, UBO, will be the next king of high life is because I can play music on stage for 3-4 hours non-stop. I play different kinds of music. If you want it in this angle, I will come. I'll give it to you. If you want it this angle, I'll give it to you. I'm a session man. I've been singing on stage before I came for this competition. And I know I can carry audience along with my performances. The winning will impact a lot of, good things in my life because I have never experienced it before. This is my first time of experiencing someone being a celebrity, people watching you. And because of that, if I am crowned the king of high life, I will make sure I carry everybody along. Not only carry them along, my family and friends, people that have been believing on me from scratch, I will not disappoint them.
In 1974, I traveled to Igbo country. Alapete. When I go, my brother carry some over with me. I carry some over to Igbo country. When I reach there, my brother don't like the food. I don't like the person. In Alapete. I carry my bag, I carry more ball of soup. I begin to chop up. I begin to walk up, brother. I carry my bag, I carry more ball of soup. I begin to chop up. I begin to walk up, brother. Don't you people where they jam. They begin clap for me. They say me and they do what it for them. Don't you people where they jam. They begin clap for me. They say me and they do what it for them. I tell them say, maybe magic I they do. Now chop and they chop. Africa, what is here? They say that's so. You are committing suicide. We will call police. You will call police, yo. Police, yeah. Police, yeah. Police, yeah. You are committing suicide, yo. Hey, the black man with it, you are committing suicide, yo.
Precious UBA. Can we hear a round of applause for the smiling guitarist? Okay. Precious UBA has shown us with his performance that he's here to win. What do you think of his performance, judges?
That was amazing. That was something else. Like David said, it's going to be hard. Like everyone that has performed so far is. But this was great.
Wow. Wow. Thank you very much, Precious UBA. Thank you very much. See you around. Good night. Okay. The fourth and the final contestant to perform a cover tonight is Somi Zaza, singing a rendition of Ofowiri by the Oriental Brothers. Here is his story so far on the show.
Why I think I should be made the High Life King 2023 is because, one, being a king is not just to sing. There are a lot of things inside it. The ability to carry people along and the ability to, to understand people, even when you're performing, the ability to understand the audience and every other, humility and all those. So I think I have the capacity to become the king of high life because all those stuffs, that makes up a king, those qualities that makes up a king, I think I have it. Going home helped me a lot, seeing my family, giving me motivation, and then my community, seeing people cheer me up. It actually made me understand that truly, they're actually waiting for me to come back with the crown, to come to Lugonata. And it's really going to help me in this grand finale because I have had more energy, while coming back again for the final.
Yes, sir. I love it, pretty well. I love it, I know why I am summer. Sugar, summer, summer. Summer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a mama,
Okay. Now, Somi Zaza has completely and constantly showed us what is made of on this stage, and we love it, don't we? I love it, yeah. That's very good. Judges.
That was a wonderful one. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so glad to witness your growth on this show. That was quite amazing. Nice one. Nice one.
Zaza, thank you very much. Good luck. See you soon. You all must agree that those were some amazing performances. When we return, we have a surprise performance from one of our judges. You want to know who that is? Then don't go anywhere, and we will be right back.
Progress. Ọganiru bụ echiche ndị be anyị. That is why, when we travel beyond the land of our birth, we are not afraid to start afresh in search of our glory. Our thirst to succeed fires our passion to build empires made from hard work and determination.
From the east to overseas, the drums of triumph hail our name. This is the sound of progress. Ebube dike, nwoke n'etiti ụmụ nwoke, ịlọghachila n'ebube. Nwoke dịka ọdụm, nnọọ, bịa were ọnọdụ gị n'etiti ndị okenye. This is the life we chose. Enjoy the new taste of progress. Nwafọ tụrụ golọta.
Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen. All right, let's get ready to have some fun right now. Let's get down. 1. Put yourself in the mood of enjoyment. Make you not let your problem worry you. Johnny like say you don't send anybody. Let's go there. 1. Let me take you back to the old. Bring it down. Adam mono mamono bi koro mozuli kenu. Asam mono mafulo nanye koro molarula. Adu rondo mambuno bi koro mozuli kenu. Achalu gonya mafulo nanye koro molarula. Nda woluke no bi wayo. Mono mafulo nanye mo. Woluke no bi wayo no. Mona gigi yo. If you are happy, can I hear you say, aha. Yes, sir. Asamunagi gebio, Adamba munagi gebio. Munagi gebio, Adamba munagi gebio. Hey, baby munagi gebio, Adamba munagi gebio. Let's get it out. Munagi gebio, Adamba. Bring it up.
Unfortunately, we have come to a not so pleasant part of the show. With all the contestants, please join me on stage. I would like to congratulate you all for making it this far. You're all winners despite any outcome. But we do have a very special message for all of you.
Hello, everyone. Congratulations on making it to the grand finale of High Life Music Fest 2023.
Trust me, I know there's only going to be one winner, but you are all winners.
Yes. So to Somi Zaza, Mwajiako Voice,
Essa York, Precious UBA.
Congratulations to you guys. Dalunu.
Aina kulona kaumbalofuma.
Go.
Tata wanne.
Yafioba.
Oba.
Ebwe.
Ijalibo.
Ebwe.
Ezagibo nekane.
Dawa.
That was a very heartwarming message, and I hope that however it ends tonight, that you still continue to share your talent with the world. But for now, let's get down to business. Judges, let us know who will be leaving us at this point.
Like you already know, we appreciate your presence here. You have all done fantastically well, but this is the day that we all have been waiting for. We knew that a day like this will come, right? And there's only going to be one winner. So we're going to start to evict from the weakest link until we get our winner.
I hate to be a carrier of bad news, but it's a task I must carry out. I'm so sorry if I would say Essa York, then I'll be wrong about that. If I say Mwajiako, then I would be still wrong about that. And if I say UBA, then I'm right. UBA, I'm sorry. You are leaving us tonight.
Make some noise for Precious UBA. I can confirm that it's very heartbreaking to see UBA leave us tonight. But as you know, the show must go on. Congratulations to the remaining 3 of you right here on stage with us. You're all one step closer to the crown for this season of High Life Fest, brought to you by Life Continental Lager Beer. You may all leave the stage. High Life Fest will be right back after this commercial break.
Progress. Ọganiru bụ echiche ndị be anyị. And that is why, when we travel beyond the land of our birth, we are not afraid to start afresh in search of our glory. Our thirst to succeed fires our passion to build empires made from hard work and determination.
From the east to overseas, the drums of triumph hail our name. This is the sound of progress. Ebube dike, nwoke n'etiti ụmụ nwoke, ịlọghachila n'ebube. Nwoke dịka ọdụm, nnọọ, bịa were ọnọdụ gị n'etiti ndị okenye. This is the life we chose. enjoy the new taste of progress. Mwafo Turugolota.
No. If you're just joining us, this is High Life Fest 2023, the grand finale. I'm still your host, Jide Kene Achufusi. Our remaining 3 contestants have one more chance to impress the judges and stake their claim as the next king of High Life. They will be performing their original compositions in line with the theme, Igwebike, which loosely translates to Unity is Strength. Kicking us off, please give it up once again for Essa York.
Nigeria got a go no quality baby. Africa got a go no quality baby. The baby, oh, they will money, go, they will go. Who go, they will go no quality baby. The baby, no, who do you want any money? Can they go? Money, I put it in one name, my people, my go. My go, they will go. I was such a chill, you know, I was the one who won't never engage alone, government and Abuja. I can't was in my dear Nani. When I got a one woman, I talk, you will be can not even the way me where you don't go. Who would have better gone on our body? He will be good. He will be good. He will be good.
Give it up for Essa York. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you soon. Next up, without wasting much time, we have Nwajiaku Voice rendering his original. Make some noise! Wajiako voice. Obi nemegi Paulina.
No, everywhere I'm going to show you they energetic.
Okay. And how do you feel like it?
You carry them along.
Okay.
With your performance.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good luck. See you soon. Okay. Put your hands together for him, please. The third performer, the very last one before we go on to the addictions. Please make welcome Somi Zaza as he tells us why unity is strength. Make some noise!
Igbo kwenu, Igbo rieno, Onyakatano. Yay! Hey, Igwe bigo, hey, Igwe bigo, hey, Igwe bigo. Imani di no tu amakao, ewo Igwe bigo, hey, Igwe bigo, hey, Igwe bigo. Imani di no tu amakao. Abido biso. Ice. No luoko si eluo. Na bia me bu odowo kwa no bo. He did not to amaka o. Kai me be one ne no anoya de ma o. Obodo nweli fo na o. Inelu ana o ni ya pupo ga niru. Inelu kwa no fu ma na se mo ku ya na o. Kai me be one ne o na na choro kewa o. Abi do bi so. Ita. Ide. Sama. Ide. Ide. Sama. Yeah. Chukwu gozie umi Igbo. Ndị na-agbanụ mbọ ka anyị bụrụ ofu. Unity is strength n'ụlọ obi amaka o. Ịfụnanya amaka o. Ebe ịfụnanya dị, nyaka udo ga-adị. Ọnya ka anyị mebe nwanne onye n'ụwa na ya dị mma o ije. Ije! Ọnya nụnụnụ Igwe bike, Igwe bike, Igwe bike. Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Ewo Igwe bike, Igwe bike, Igwe bike. Ice! Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka. Come on! Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Bring it down! Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka. Let me hear you. Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Ịma na ịdị n'otu amaka o. Ija! Sama! 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 Sama!
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for sharing your talent with us. Good luck. Put your hands together for Somi Zaza. Okay. I must start off by admitting that these guys have come a long way and the evidence of all the hard work is glaring in their performances. When we come back, we have more surprise performances, followed by the crowning of our next king of high life, Anakukwa Keba. Anakukwa Keba. Don't go nowhere.
Progress. Ọganiru bụ echiche ndị be anyị. That is why, when we travel beyond the land of our birth, we are not afraid to start afresh in search of our glory. Our thirst to succeed fires our passion to build empires made from hard work and determination.
From the east to overseas, the drums of triumph hail our name. This is the sound of progress. Ebube dike, nwoke n'etiti ụmụ nwoke, ịlọghachila n'ebube. Nwoke dịka ọdụm, nnọọ, bịa were ọnọdụ gị n'etiti ndị okenye. This is the life we chose. Enjoy the new taste of progress. Mwafọ turu golota.
Ọkwa mụ na ịbụ nwanne, onye chebe ọkpọrọ ibe ya. Only the be waiting on Bagara. Namona ibu wande. Onye libo jetibe ya oh. Dokwa wando suna woswalo. Sing it with me. I go banabe. I don't think you heard me. I go banabe. Namuna wande bebe sigo. Sing it with me. Odi no bibo. Onulube. Onulube wana. Let's go now. Yeah.
Welcome back. Now, that is what we call a fantastic performance from our star judge, Jennifer Eliogu. If you're just joining us, welcome. This is Highlight Fest 2023, the grand finale. Our top 3 contestants have all performed, and they gave us performances to remember for a long, long time. Now, it is time for the judges to collate the results. While the judges have the hard task of putting together the results, we have another performance lined up for you tonight. This person is a familiar face on the Highlight Fest stage. I'm talking about the winner of last season's Highlight Fest. No other person than Anekwe John Paul. Give it up! Munekwero, Highlight Fest na Mohihana Bo Stars. Asimgini, Munekwero, Highlight Stars, always births stars. Thank you, Anekwe John Paul, for that performance. We are all very, very proud of your journey so far after winning the last season of Highlight Fest. We have another amazing performance. Well, Imanasi Igbo, na Igbo ada ajonyo obia. So we are going to put our hands together because he has a guy made this time around, but to put a little cocktail to be fun about High Life. Let us put our hands together for the one and only Woke Kacha Agohe Love, the only crayon.
Mommy, I see you, mommy, I see you. Hey. Open the fire, play the bedroom, let them know. You know finish you, Man no fit tire, every day I'm on the road. No limit yo, no limit yo. Hey, this now who's so good? Would you turn down for who? Would you robo robo? Many things we can do. I'm into you, and would you wire for you? And tonight I'll be dancing on my pain away. Everybody, let's go. Give me your hand and shoulder, 'cause you should get up. Blessings for your head up. Yola balaba. Give me your hand and shoulder, but I know go get us. Better go locate us. Let's go say Yola balaba. Give me your hand and shoulder. Hey, 'cause you should get up. Oh yeah, now. Blessings for your head up. Say Yola balaba. Give me your hand and shoulder, but I know go get us. Better go locate us. Hey, I'm on last time like Vuvuzela. No one can do you better. Oh yeah, you body falala for me. Why now go shoddy? Love the energy tonight. Where could they my side? But now you they my mind, my Uju. Hey, this now so good. Uju turn down for who? Uju robo robo. Hey, many things we can do. Come on, story, I'm into you. And Uju wire for you. And tonight I'll be dancing on my pain away. Everybody, let's go. Yola balaba, give me your hand and shoulder, 'cause you should get up. Blessings for your head up. Yola balaba, give me your hand and shoulder, but I know go get us. Better go locate us. Say Yola balaba, give me your hand and shoulder. Hey, 'cause you should get up. Blessings for your head up. Say Yola balaba, give me your hand and shoulder, but I know go get us. Better go locate us. Make some noise, we having fun tonight.
Well, that was fun and entertainment on High Life Fest 2023, but the show must go on. Big shout out to all of you at home watching, those of you that love the presenter, and those of you that love the audience, and those of you that love the contestants. I greet all of you. But let's get down to the business of things. Right now is that dreaded time on the show where the contestants will know their fate. And we will have ourselves a new king of High Life. All contestants, please join me on stage one more time. Congratulations to you all. Out of the hundreds of people who auditioned, and out of the top 16 contestants in the live show, the three of you has made it this far to become the last three standing. That means that you have exceptional and unquestionable talent. We're all very proud of you. The judges are proud of you. The audience are proud of you. The viewers at home are proud of you. You should be proud of yourselves. I must also thank Life Continental Lager Beer for a thrilling season of High Life Fest and for upholding the Igbo heritage and the culture of High Life music through this competition. It has indeed been one-of-a-kind experience, and now we must proceed to the evictions. Over to you, judges.
I'm getting so emotional right now because looking at the three of you, I see exceptional high life singers. For you to get to this point of this show, it simply means that you are so good. Please, whoever wins, let love lead.
All right, the moment of truth has come. We've heard all that there is to hear. We know all there is to know. And finally, it's not unfortunate, it's fortunate because you made it this far. Amongst the three kings, one has got to go. Tonight, I'm just a messenger, so I will do my job diligently. Ladies and gentlemen, the king to go home tonight will be Somi Zaza. Put your hands together for him. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much, Somi Zaza, for a fantastic season. You have been exceptionally great, and you have been unbelievably talented. I present to you the last two standing on this year's High Life Fest. Such nerves on this stage right now, but permit me, before we announce the winner, to bring on stage the brand manager for Life Continental Lager Beer for a few words. Please put your hands together. A round of applause for Caroline.
Ndị Igbo na-asị akụ fecha ọda na nwa awọ. No doubt, anyone who emerges as winner tonight is deserving of the crown. Your growth from the auditions up until tonight has wowed everyone who has watched you display your musical prowess and your love for the culture. And this is what the Life Beer brand stands for: progress. The brand is committed to preserving the Igbo culture and promoting the values of progress and hard work. And we have identified music as an avenue to do so in a way that resonates with Igbos. In the last 5 years, High Life Fest has produced high life music stars that have continued to make waves in the music industry. And tonight, we will add another feather to our cap by crowning yet another amazing talent. And to our top 2 finalists, I wish you the best of luck. Turu Golota. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Our winner goes home with amazing prizes, which include 2 million naira towards studio recording, 7 million naira towards a music video production, and 10 million naira in cash. These, of course, are courtesy of Life Continental Lager Beer. I know that you're all itching to know who our winner is. I will tell you in a second. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this year's winner of High Life Fest 2023, our new king, Igwe High Life, is no other person Nwajagu voice!
To be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Congratulations. Next up, can we have Fred, the head marketing strategy and planning manager, Nigeria Breweries, to present the prize to the second runner-up. Please, can we have Mfombasi, National Trade Marketing Manager?
What's known from Basi?
of the Nigerian breweries to present to the first runner-up. Okay, lastly, please give me a round of applause as I welcome on stage Life Lager Beer Distributor Extraordinaire, Ken Maduako, Regional Manager Adewale Sule and Cluster Media Lead West Africa, Wasiu Abiola, to present the prize to our winner for the night. Welcome, sir.
This man is very supportive. This man.
The last year's winner will crown this year's winner.
I believe you know what to do. As the last king of high life music, today you are crowning a new person. So you will be the one to decorate and crown him, not me. That means you are transferring that power of being the king of high life today to him. So God bless you as you do that.
It is a beautiful day to remember. We are making progress together. Look at we now. My guy, is a beautiful day to remember.
This moment is one of the best things that happened to me in this life. I heard Jamamba. Ezegu. Otele Nkwaregua. My God will say, today, Oga Kranum the king. From Life Continental Lager Beer. Nde huru talent nanya. Chai. I am happy. I thank God for this day.
Now, on behalf of the High Life Fest 2023 producers, Life Continental Lager Beer, we thank you for joining us. Have a good night. Turugo!